Hello, beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. I am so happy you're here. So today we're gonna be in the kitchen. I am all about recipes that are easy, fast, and delicious. And I'm sure you are too. So yeah, I'm excited to get started with today's recipe. We are going to make flourless nut butter banana muffins. This recipe only calls for a few ingredients: 2 bananas, the riper the sweeter, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of nut butter, any kind of your choice, 2 large eggs. You'll also need a greased muffin tin. I used coconut oil here, and a blender. Let's get cooking, good looking. I love getting my baby involved in everyday activities because then I can teach her, and she's so curious. It does take a lot longer than if it was just me, but it is totally worth it. Yeah! Oh! Eggs? Eggs. Raw eggs. Oh, you can't touch the raw eggs, please. Did you touch them? Baby! This is baking soda. Oh, baking soda. Everything you have to touch. Okay. This is the butter. This one you don't want to touch. It's very messy. Ooh, yeah, we just put all in everything. You want to call Grandma? Want to try? After you have combined all the ingredients in the blender, just blend it until smooth. Oh, that's really loud, baby. Loud, isn't it? So I used Nutso, this keto butter. It's almonds, coconut, Brazil nuts, pecans, macadamia nuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, and Celtic or Celtic? I think it's Celtic sea salt. And it's very healthy. I love this stuff, but you can just use peanut butter, almond butter, any kind of nut butter that you like to use, just a cup of it. So yeah. I hope she likes it. You like it, baby? And then just fill your muffin tins evenly. You should have enough for 12 muffins. Cook it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I had preheated my oven before we started. And you just bake it for 12 to 15 minutes. Yeah. And you wait on the yummy. I just love how these muffins turned out. They are soft, the texture is amazing, and it's very healthy. There's no flour in it, so unless you're allergic to nuts, of course. And we loved sharing the muffins. Daddy loved them as well. And Daddy's a tough critic, so I'm glad that he liked them as well. And of course, Satchel, he's the easiest. He loves all food, except for his own kibble, of course. Say hi. But yes, he got some muffins as well. We would never leave him out. This is a great recipe to improvise with. You can add chocolate chips. You can add honey to make it sweeter. You can add raisins. You can add a lot of things. Just sprinkle it on top before you bake it. My personal favorites were the muffins with the seeds and the dried cranberries on top. It kind of reminded me of granola with that subtle crunch. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, I hope you'll subscribe so I can see you in the next one. God bless.